So, guys, after that battle, this massacre that occurred on this small town that's outside the basic city limits, there was a meeting that occurred with all of the cultist leaders, their lieutenants, and they had a holographic meeting with the High Marshal Dredd, informing and letting him know that first their newly acquired powers were definitely on display when they massacred the Imperium, who had been a thorn in their side for the past several months. The High Marshal let them know that this was just the beginning of them gaining power by siding with Nurgle, and that their strength would just continue to increase. And also, as a reward for finding the main artifact that they were looking for, the High Marshal let them know that he will continue to give them his support. This actual artifact was just one of the clues that would lead to one of the seats of power. So the cultists, even though they were glad with their newfound powers, they were a little worried that the Imperium would start throwing more and more forces at them. And the High Marshal just let them know that not to worry, it was all part of the plan, and that the hardest part was already achieved, gaining this artifact. And that not only would he be ready for them, he would have another surprise for the Imperium when they come. The only thing is that he wanted was that these guys would do their job, and this time make sure no survivors, except for if they could capture a few of the sisters, for they would be sacrificed to activate the portal. The cultists kind of looked on with determination and resolve, knowing that this next battle may just end up like the first.